Hello everybody, this is Irina Blount from lalalandcrafts, and this video today is to showcase our August Club lalalandcrafts kit, and also I have some exciting news and announcement to make. You might have seen already, we started celebration for our Club lalalandcrafts 5th birthday about 10 days ago, and we have had games going on our Facebook group, on the Club lalalandcrafts fan group, and also on Instagram. And today we're going to continue the celebration, and we're going to have more prizes coming your way, so stick with me and you'll have that information at the end of the video. Now this is our Club lalalandcrafts August 2019 kit, and because this is our 5th anniversary, this kit is extra special. Usually our kit comes in the gold envelope. This month we have a special envelope for you as well. This is very pretty iridescent envelope, and when you open it you're going to get your kit, but also you're going to get some surprise, or maybe not surprise because you might have seen it already, but some extra goodies for you as our thank you for being subscribers. If you're not familiar with our Club lalalandcrafts, you'll find all the links in the video description below. I'll post direct links with more information for you. Basically, it's a subscription, and every month you get stamps and dies, or stamps only or dies only. We have 3 types of different subscription based on your crafting needs. And I'm going back to our August kit. You might have seen it already, but I'm just going to do a really quick overview for those who haven't seen it yet. You can subscribe by August 29th to start your subscription with this kit, and you'll still get all of the extra goodies that come with it. So when you get your package, it will be packed like this. This is your birthday, well, our birthday thank you gift for you, and this is the actual kit. So you'll get, let me pull it all out for you. So you'll get the card. This is like information infographics card that shows you what's included and the list of what's included. The value of this kit is $71.99. The price, this is the full kit value. The price of the kit is $39.99, so you can see you're already getting great value here. This is before you add the value of the extra gift, and I'll go through that in a minute. So in this kit you get 2 stamps. You get Marcy stamp, and as you can see our stamps are on the larger size. They are deeply etched. I'm pretty sure you can even see in the video how tall the actual stamp is, and they already come on the cling mount, so you just need to peel this off, put it on your acrylic block, and you're good to go. They also come with the sentiments. I colored the images already, so I'll show you, give you a better idea how they look like. So this is your Marcy. She's holding a present, and the sentiment come: sending birthday wishes, your wonderful reason to celebrate, and surprise. And the second stamp is this bunch of different creators that are celebrating our 5th anniversary with us. All of these creators been introduced to our club kits individually, so it was just fitting. I felt that they'll come and celebrate with us. So this is the large stamp that you'll get. This is how they look like. It also has a little birthday hat that you can put on the creators, and the sentiments are happy, happy, happy birthday from all of us, and congrats. Now also with this kit come 3 dies. We have a birthday die, and again you can see how big the die is. We have a happy that comes in the form of a present, and we have a balloon which is also pretty large in size. So these are the 3 dies you would get in your kit, and you can see how they look die cut. I have them here. So here is your happy, There's birthday, kind of got moved around a little bit here. Was putting things on top of it. You can see how it cuts. And you can see it has a candle here that you can use individually. And here is your balloon. And it comes with the string separate. So you can play with that as well. Now for the birthday kit, you'll have a few things here as well. You'll have an extra die, and this is pretty big die as you can see, and these are the balloon numbers. So we have the numbers from 1 to 0, so you can combine or make the number that you need to go with your birthday. You can also simply clip the bottom of the balloon and use them as the numbers instead of balloon numbers. This is how they die cut, so they have a little detail on them as well. Really cute. And then you get a coaster tag. And member since you'll have the number, the year that you subscribe to our club. So we have subscribers starting from 2014. So you'll get the tag that has the year of your subscription on it. And then you get a birthday card. And this is just the birthday card that shows happy 5th birthday for Club lalalandcrafts. And on the back of it, it's a thank you note from us. Thank you for being one of our loyal subscribers, and it also has 25% off coupon code. I have it blocked right here because this is only for subscribers, but when you get it with your kit, you'll have the code here, and you can use the code 25% off code on our website at lalalandcrafts.com through September 15th. We're going to start shipping the kits out next week, so you'll have plenty of time to shop. If you are one of our subscribers that subscribed back in 2014, this is also your 5th year anniversary with us. And for that, for the extra special thank you, we're also including these 3 presents die with your kids only. I had a few questions already about this die because we showed it on our Facebook group. So this die will be, people been asking when they can purchase it separately if there are not one of our 2014 subscribers. This die will be released into our range in a couple of months, and you'll be able to order it individually, separately on our website at lalalandcrafts.com. Now, if I convinced you with this video to subscribe to our club, if you are not a subscriber yet, you'll need to go on to our website, to lalalandcrafts.com. Once again, I'll post all of the links in the video description below, so you can click there. Then you'll need to click on Club Lalaland Crafts. We have 2 places you can go through. There's a link on the top of the website, and there's also where the other categories are. You can click on there. Either or, both of the links will take you to the same place. And then you can choose what type of subscription you would like, if you would like the full kit, stamp kit, or dice only kit. And just make sure you don't click on add to cart on that main page. Click on the item, click on the picture of the subscription you're interested in. That will take you to the next page where you actually subscribe. And make sure that you click on pull down menu and choose 30 days first before you click on add to cart, and that will start your subscription. Remember, this is a subscription. This is not individual order of the kit. This is how we can provide you such an amazing value. And once you start your subscription, by August 29th, you will get this kit. So this is for all of our subscribers, existing subscribers and new subscribers. We just want to say thank you for giving us a chance. Thank you for being with us. We love you all, and from the bottom of our hearts, just heartfelt thank you. We couldn't be here without you. So this is just our way of saying thank you. I know I said it a few times already, but really thank you. Now, as I mentioned, we played the games on our Facebook group. We played the games for 7 days before the 15th, and then on the 15th we had 7 games going each hour, and we had the winners there. And from everybody who commented on all of the games, we're giving away subscriptions. So I think this is a big moment right here. We're going to announce our winners. I have it printed on the paper, so I know this is much anticipated. And we're giving away 3 subscriptions. The first prize is 12-month subscription to the full club, so it's $39.99 times 12. You can do the math. Then the second prize is 6 months, and the third prize is 3 months of the free subscriptions. And all of these free subscriptions will start with the September kit. And our winners are Janet, Julie, and Linda. Congratulations, lady. We're so happy that you won. We're so happy. I hope you will enjoy your subscriptions. I hope you'll enjoy a year or 6 months or 3 months of the free kits coming your way. If you already have a subscription on our website, you don't need to do anything. We'll adjust your billing so you won't be billed for September and until the 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months from then. And after that, your subscription will resume as usual. Congratulations again. This is really big. We've never done this before. We are really happy that you ladies won this. And congratulations again. And thank you for playing. Thank you to everyone for playing. We've had so much fun in our Facebook group. If you are not in our Facebook group yet, make sure to go to facebook.com. Here is the link right here. facebook.com/groups/Club lalalandcrafts, and join it because it's a really nice place to be. It's a really nice bunch of people there, and everybody is so supportive. I'll put the link to this in the video description below as well. Now, for our Instagram winners, we've had our Club Lalaland Crafts design team, and we also had a birthday bash guest designers join us to help us celebrate our 5th birthday. And every one of them picked the winners from the comments on their posts with their projects. And the winners are, we have a full list here. We have Eva, Zamara, Bonnie, Deborah, Sarah, Amy, Elizabeth, Allison, Barbara, Jane, Paula, Gab, Christine, Priscilla, Sharon, Karen, and Franca. So ladies, if you see your name here, you should have been already contacted by the design team member who picked your name. If you haven't been contacted, send us a quick email at info@lalalandcrafts.com and we'll straighten it all out for you. All of these ladies won $25 to our store. So this is really also very exciting for all of you. Now, one last thing I want to do today is we're going to play one more game. So this game is only open to our Club Lalaland Crafts subscribers. Since this is our Club Lalaland Crafts birthday, we think this is only fair that we do at least one game for the subscribers, but it's open to all of the subscribers. So even if you're subscribing today or tomorrow or until the 28th, this is when we're going to, actually 29th. So all the way to the 29th, if you subscribe and follow the rest of these rules, you'll be entered to win one of 5 $50 credits. So it's our 5th birthday, so we're doing 5 $50 credits to our online store. So the rules are, you have to be subscriber to Club Lalaland Crafts. You have to be subscriber to our YouTube channel. So if you're watching this video on YouTube, just click on the red button. It's on the bottom right. It will be on the bottom right, so just click subscribe there. And you need to comment on this video. So just click on comments and comment, and you will be entered. And we'll pick the winners and we'll announce on August 29th. We'll announce it. I don't think I'll be doing another video, but we'll announce it in our newsletter, on our Facebook group, and on the Instagram. And of course, we'll contact you. So no worries. We'll find you to get you your credits. If you are not watching it on YouTube, you can click on the video to get you to YouTube, or go directly to youtube.com/lalalandcrafts and look for the August 2019 reveal video, and make sure you are following all of the rules. Now, once again, I just wanted to say thank you for being with us. Thank you for trusting us. Thank you for your loyalty, for your support. And I think this is all for today, but we look forward to many more years of our club, and many more years of spending time with you, with our subscribers. And now, if you have a few more minutes, we're going to show you some of the projects from all of our designers made with this club, just for your viewing pleasure. So enjoy!